Hi everyone, I'm Froniger and this is Aussies Do Homeschool Season, and today I'm going to introduce you to my homeschool, so stick around. So hey, over the next coming months, I'm going to be sharing my life as a homeschool mum. I'm going to be debunking myths and creating a window into the world of a homeschool family. I'm going to do this in a few different ways. One of those is putting up a weekly video which will be filled with information and the sharing of ideas. The next is what I call my spotlight episodes, which will get a little deeper involved in the extracurricular activities my kids do, and maybe some of the ones that your kids do. I'll then throw in a few question and answer days, because maybe you've got a lot of questions out there that you want me to address, or just getting to know me a little bit better. And last of all, I'll be throwing in some day in the life of, or getting to know me and my family. You can see our daily routine and what we get up to on a day-to-day basis. In these coming episodes, I'm going to touch on subjects like, what is homeschooling? How do I get started homeschooling? Where do I find a curriculum? Do I buy one? Do I make one? And extracurricular activities like sports, art, musical instruments. And I'll also touch on timetabling. How do we do this timetabling thing? How do we fit everything into 5 days? Or do we look at it differently and think of it in a term? Timetabling. I'm also going to talk about the emotional side of homeschooling. I know you've probably all felt it, and if you haven't, I'm jealous. Homeschool mums and dads feel the guilt, we feel the fear. Are we doing the right thing? Do our kids get enough from us? Are we good teachers? Should we be doing less? Should we be doing more? I'm going to talk about that as well, because it's a big issue and it's something we all need to think about. And then, as I said, I'll be doing a few day in the life of, and that will be really a chance for you to get to know me and my family and my homeschool experience. I'll show you how I do things, albeit haphazardly, and I'll give you a real indication of what homeschool is like, so that you can make an informed decision, if you haven't already, whether you want to homeschool. Because that's part of what I'm doing this channel for, is to help families out there who are thinking about homeschooling but haven't quite made up their mind, and also families who do homeschool who just want another perspective. Okay, next week I'm going to come back and talk about what is homeschooling. Believe me, you might be surprised. I would love to share that experience with you. Remember, if you like this channel and you'd like to see more videos, please press the like and subscribe button down below. See you next week. In the coming